Om friends, welcome to our channel Zazen Tarot Space. In today's reading, we will see what the month June 2023 is bringing for our Taurus friends. Let us first shuffle and pull out our cards, and then we will move to the reading. And our last few cards. So we have our cards ready. So let us look at your oracle cards first. Taurus, that's your first oracle card, the Pilgrim. So what I see here for you, Taurus, is a fantastic opportunity to experiment in the coming month. Experiment with what? Experiment with yourself. Experiment with how you think. This is the time when you will not be scared to take on new things and do them differently. Especially, you will have the courage to take the road less traveled. You will have the courage to go the path which you have probably been longing to go for a very long time, but have maybe faced some kind of opposition or ridicule for walking that path or believing in that path. Now is the time when you can believe in yourself and grow, learn, study. This is the time to go outward and expand yourself. This is a time for maybe religious journeys, or if not religious journeys, then travels and journeys which will expand your horizon, which will broaden your perspective. Also, this is a time where you will see an inner shift as a result of whatever is going on around you. Your next card, Stag Spirit, take the lead. Fantastic card. This is a time when you will be serious about your responsibilities. You will have very high levels of confidence. People around you will believe in you. They will believe that you can deliver, and they will naturally look to you for guidance. This is not necessarily only in the place of work. This could be at home, this could be where you live, your society, family, etc., anywhere. People will naturally follow your lead because they will believe in what you stand for. They will believe that you can deliver and take on the responsibilities. And your confidence will give them also confidence, which they need. They will feed off your confidence. Next card is leopard frog. Swim. Am I flowing through metamorphosis? So fantastic. This combination is fantastic. Metamorphosis here, the ability to lead here, and then how you will take on the metamorphosis. So yes, expansion, growth, learning, all that is there, but not in a rickety-rackety manner. You will simply be flowing through it with ease, with grace. So very brilliant month in terms of how you will be and how you will grow. Next, let us look at what is happening around you in your life. Taurus, first card is the Nine of Wands. Lots of time to do lots of work, take your projects towards completion. Also a time to deal with any fears from the past, any doubts, any wounds from the past need to be healed. Now is the time to face them and deal with them. Next card is your Lover's card. Fantastic. This is a time to form connections, be close to nature, be close to animals, be loving, feel the love just by being with the natural surroundings. Feel the connection and be fulfilled by it. Just see how nicely the connection is. So some special connections I definitely see coming up here for you this month. They may be new ones, or they may be the ones that you already have, and you will feel fulfilled by those special connections. Three of Cups. A time also for celebrations, meeting people. Definitely a time where you will see a lot of human interaction and connections. Also, social gatherings, enjoying parties, enjoying your interactions, and any ceremonies. Could also be religious ceremonies, religious gatherings, and then also a time to help out those people. So I see a combination of these two things. Any kind of support that you're looking for from people, that also you will get in this month. People will look to you for support, and you will be able to also get support from them. So I see a two-way process here for you in this month, which is fantastic. Now the next cards we're going to look at is how will you feel, what kind of mood will you be in, how will you be feeling, and what kind of a mental state you will be in the month of June. So the first card you have is the Creator card. So a good card, again, a strong card, feeling strong, feeling connected with yourself, feeling confident here, fighting. Now that's a complete contrast. So I see some mental confusions also. Where you are feeling strong, you will be able to deal with these confusions and issues in a strong manner. However, this card is somehow always suggesting that it is better to let go of the fight, drop the fight, drop the struggle. So there is an internal struggle, but it is best to drop the internal struggle. It will take care of itself by itself. See, understanding, fantastic. So the cards are also confirming. Drop the internal struggle, any kind of mental struggle that you feel. Things do not seem to be right. Something is not, someone has said something, it is hurting you. Any kind of inner Discomfort that you feel as a result of conflicts will pass, and you will be able to free yourself of that as soon as you drop the struggle. Now we're going to look at the 3 different areas of your life. First will be finances, and the card for that is Fool. So this is the kind of time where you would want to take risks. You will be feeling optimistic about your finances. Yes, it is a time for optimism for sure. It is a time when all the inflow will stay the way it has to. But this is the time where you will feel that, okay, all is well, so let us take risks with investments or maybe overspending. But this card is warning you not to take any such risk. This is not a good time to invest recklessly or overspend, because then that could lead to trouble later on. Next card, what will your career be like? So that is the 3 of Wands, which is a very good card. This is a fantastic time for planning how to improve, how to grow your career, how to grow your business and work. Also a time where you may be waiting for profits and they're coming soon. For people who are looking for jobs or looking for any new opportunities in the place of work, again, a good time to plan, and you can expect things coming soon, not right now, but subsequently after June. And the last card for your special relationships, love, marriage, etc., 5 of Pentacles. This is not a great card at all. I see that even though there are some new connections, or even that feeling connected with your special someone is there, yet you may feel left out. You may feel not completely understood. You may feel that I understand the other person, they don't understand me. I am, it may feel a little one-sided, which may actually put you off, make you feel sad and depressed about it. So that is something you need to guard yourself against, and you will be able to find the key to your happiness in your relationships yourself. Okay, just stick around with it. So Taurus, that's your reading for June 2023. I wish you all the very best. Do take good care of yourselves. Bye bye.